Saturday evening, down at the shop. Why? Because we're going on an adventure. Tim, should we...
No, we're not gonna say anything until we get there.
Yeah?
Because it's an adventure. Although...
But,
it's an adventure.
In saying that, this is something that we've wanted to do for a long time.
Yes. This particular adventure, unfortunately, it will never be ours, but it is a definite point of interest.
So we need to grab the grinder and a death wheel, and we need to change the top of, actually we just need to borrow the cap from this gas can because the other one has disappeared and I don't want it Billy. I need to bring the death wheel because we might have to cut a lock off of where we're going.
But it's legit.
Yep, that's right. We have full permission. So, as soon as Tim throws that guy on there, we're going to shut things.
Bring a spare death wheel?
Oh, I would. That one might, just in case one blows to bits.
And what about a grindy loo, just to be...
We can
there is nothing left on
Well,
them.
throw that in the garbage.
I don't think I've ever seen a wheel ground down that much.
A frappy disc?
And we have lights. Do we need the secondary battery? Did you bring your tire inflator?
Yeah, with the two small batteries. So,
Hey.
that's basically it. We're gonna close things up, jump back in the truck, hit the road, and when you see us next, we'll be near our destination or at our destination. This is gonna be pretty cool. Well, here we are. We're hoping Justin's key works. If not, we gotta get the grinder and the death wheel out.
Should have brought one of those mini cans of WD-40.
You got it.
Car cover.
A brown one at that.
All right, folks.
I just like kind of
Here's she be.
We'll get some lights in here in a sec so stuff looks better. But
Wow.
so, okay, you kind of tell us the story.
father's car, bought it, I'm not sure when. It is a repaint. It's been sitting for 30 plus years now. It's been like not used at all. I've never ridden in it. I've only seen it once as a small child, and then he passed and we're kind of going through some estate things, and this is just in for an appraisal to see what we have sitting here. It looks better under the lights than it does in the dark, but it is a cherry red, but it was like a what would you say that, like a sparkly blue. That was what it was factory. Yeah.
Okay.
Like a sparkly blue and white, so then now it's a cherry red and black.
It looks like it's a it's a 350 transplant, right? Like I said, it's the everybody's block, the 3700. What is it? 370091. Sorry, 3970010.
I do, I guess, a quick walk around here now that's in the light.
Old school flake. Can you see it? I don't know if it'll come through on the camera.
Pick it up very well or not.
Whoever painted it did a really good job. Oh, here's a test. If there's gas in it, what it would smell. Oh, that's a special smell. You know, there's certain smells in life that when you get them on your fingers, it doesn't go away.
Right, you're keeping that hand like
Yeah.
saving it for a week.
That's one of them right there. Okay, I need that small screwdriver. You ever noticed a weird phenomenon with screwdrivers that whichever one you're looking for, you don't have any? And then the next time you go looking for the type that you had a million of, they're not there now, and it's the one you were looking for the first time.
Right, because like everything in your house is usually a star, but the minute you need a star, it's like, how did it walk back to
Phillips
the shed?
screws are the worst screws ever invented.
No, flathead.
Oh yes, sorry, you're right.
I'm scared I was gonna jump out.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Some wheel bearing caps. And some kind of control knobs, which not a quarter.
Oh, those. I think those are for the radio.
Oh, is it?
It does, because I just looked and there didn't look like there was anything. But you know what? The one thing that's nice with this is, with it all being fiberglass, right?
The fiberglass is in good shape.
Yep. You don't have to worry about any rot. And back in the day of the full-size spare.
Yes. Glass fuel filter.
Yep. There's a fire waiting to happen.
The old fire starters.
What are you thinking, Tim?
Oh, just checking. Just wiggling for now. It's got oil. Didn't all leak out, so that's a solid.
And like
Oh, yeah,
from
yeah.
a friend of his.
Wow,
the
actually,
reason
that's-
why it got parked was the radiator.
This thing
Oh,
had an oil change right before it was parked, I think. Because that's new looking oil. So, are we going to say mouse nest under it?
Oh.
$8 says there isn't.
No, clean. Look at that. Big ol' Holly. 650-ish. Oh, that's good. No, clutch fan. Okay. Well, clutch fan's good. Did you see the belt move?
I saw something move. No.
You gotta pull the plugs.
So you've managed to pull a couple of these out, right?
Yeah, so
What do you
far.
got? How many we got out here? Two on this side? Can you get at all of them? That one
try.
under the header under there is going to be a bit of a...
Yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see. They went in, right? So
The spark plug itself is running kind of rich there. But we also have something that I've never seen before, and that would be the tuner. So if anybody knows anything about these, they can comment in the comment section. Now they've all been coming out pretty easy.
well, this one was the hardest one so far.
Well, it's in an awkward spot too, right?
No, it was just the most kind of latched, but we'll see.
Oh, I see. And you said it is a stick too, right?
Yeah, and all four gears seem to work. I couldn't get it into reverse, but that might be a WD-40 moment, just because I think you've got to push down and over on these to get it into reverse. But I don't, as this is really the first Corvette I've worked on. I've driven one, but not.
Not this vintage though.
No, I drove a 2017.
I'm gonna take this battery out so we can get it in the posts and attach the booster up and go from there. Actually, you know what? This isn't even tight.
Worked this one a couple times.
Way down in there.
Yeah, it's
I just stuck it on top and hooked it up to.
well, it's you know what? It's tucked in a really weird way.
Is it?
Yeah. That's not supposed to do that.
What's it in?
Oh, it's you know how they have a square head that's not supposed to move.
You can't just pull it off by hand.
No. Oh, this. You know what? It's maybe it moved. How you doing over there?
Oh, good. I'm just not rushing it. Last few threads of doom here. There we go.
Oh. Okay. It's off. just don't know which one is positive.
We'll follow the negative cable to the other.
Ah, that's
I think positive.
no, this one, yeah. This
Positive
guy.
was my side, I think.
Yeah, and negatives here. All right.
So we gotta make sure to pull that too. This is in nice shape. All right, well, I'm gonna work on these. Are you gonna hook up the...
We can hook it up, yeah.
Let's see if it lets out some magic smoke while I find the rest of the parts I've been toying with.
Okay, that is the start. So, Mr. Positive.
I just even go to this alternator bracket, even if it'll reach. All right, so, because this thing's always on, right?
I don't think this is gonna... There's not enough metal.
No.
Okay.
There it is. You're arcing against here. Okay, so we have power. Not turning it over, but let's see.
You even try turning the headlights on.
Oh goodness. All right, if I go to on.
I heard something click over here.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's wipers. Ooh, there you go. Got headlights.
Go at the back, Justin. Taillights are on, I think.
Push the brakes. Both operational, plate light as well.
What about signal?
I can hear the relay.
Left, yes.
It's working at the front here too.
Randy, yes.
All right. Okay, unhook that for now, Marcus.
Done.
Well, that's cool to see a little bit of life in it, right?
Plugs are out on this side. We put our nice 50-to-1 mixture into the
Yeah, we didn't bring
holes in there because we completely forgot to bring any starter type fluid, even though we have a garage full of it. So I guess there were just too many other things to remember. Tim has got, what do you got left there? 1, 2?
Nope, they're all out.
Okay, so I'm gonna give him
So I can
the sauce
see if
bottle.
I can get this in.
It was pretty easy once I figured out where everything was. That fell off, of course.
Oh, you just filled the lineup and you just burping her like that?
Yeah. Now if I plug this in, technically I should be able to pull it out. And then just empty what's left in here into... There we go.
All right.
Okay.
What's the next step here?
Next-
Try to roll it over?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to roll it over with the wrench again. Oh, she locked up pretty good. I'm gonna try to bump it and see. You want to hook the battery?
Yep. Hold on one sec. Hold on, Tim. Just a sec.
Holding.
I got this booster in the wrong spot for the bumping.
Yeah, I'm not gonna turn it over. I'm just gonna see if it'll flick it.
Yeah, just keep it out of the way. Okay. Oh. Yep. There you go.
You got crap shooting out at you over there?
Yes.
Spinning the fan.
Yep. Fan spinning, alternators turning.
There we go. Can you do me a favor, Justin? I'm gonna get you to do that side of things. We'll have to just
Here.
tripod it. I'm just gonna stick my finger over this hole.
Oh.
See what she does. Before we do that too much, hold on.
Oh, yes. Okay, hold on. I'm disconnecting here then. Boop.
I'm just gonna disconnect the fuel line.
Good idea.
In case there is anything in there.
Well, we know that whatever there is, it's varnishy for sure.
Yeah. We just don't want to pull the tar up, right? Because I can already smell the gas. Can you?
A bit, yeah. There's a knife if you want to cut.
She's an old hose. Nope, it's gonna come loose. It just needs. Oh, it's pumping gas. Look at that.
Oh.
A good thing we unplugged that. Oh yeah. Yep, we're good.
Okay. What we're gonna do, Justin, is just gonna bump it over again like you were doing, just to see if there's spark.
All right.
Yep. Great spark.
Woo!
Okay.
So now the question is, you want to hear it run? As well, we're here now.
Yeah. This is the moment of truth. So what we're going to do is hook things back up. As we know, the engine's turning over with no problem whatsoever. Tim's got the spark plugs back in, and we're going to pump a little mix into the carb and see if we can get her to fire. And if we can, that's quite an accomplishment after the car's been sitting for so long. So away we go.
Do you have the bottle?
The bottle is right
already in
beside the battery. Right beside the X side, Tim.
Okay.
All right, Justin.
3, 2, 1.
Yep.
Yeah. You can give it a go. I think we probably went through the gas that was in it, but
Where's the bouteille?
I've got it up there.
You want
But
me to go again?
yeah, go again.
Okay, hold on.
But we'll give it another little pop off, and then we'll leave it at that, and we'll say it ran.
Currencies.
This is pretty good. This is...
But that's pretty good, man. If it hasn't run since 1989.
Okay, that I don't know about
That's what it
that.
said
No.
on the plate. It
Look,
was 89.
look at
right?
that. Give that a. Maybe give it a bit of a crunch
That's
on
2
that.
years before I was born. When you think of it.
Well, I think the problem is-
No, 2 years after I'm born.
I think there's just too much goop on that negative.
Oh, maybe. Well, give her again, and we'll.
All right.
Okay, kill it. Just turn the key off. There you go. Perfect.
There you go, man. So it
We
runs.
filled our bottle.
Good eye here. Pass that this way.
And it sounded like it was getting oil pressure. And the accelerator pump worked.
Yep. So there you go.
So this thing just crossed off a whole bunch of stuff that should never, that you get so lucky with.
That's our first just random, just come in, look at something that's been sitting for that amount of time, went through the motions, and actually got it to run. So realistically, right, if we wanted to, and we're not going to do it tonight, you could, I mean, basically we need to drain the gas tank, right?
Yeah.
Put in some new gas, and it could just back out of here and drive away. So that's pretty cool. All right, folks. Well, that was quite an adventure this Saturday evening. Tim,
Yay!
anything to say?
Oh, I'm stoked. I love this stuff. This is just awesome.
Justin?
Remember, they can be saved.
I'm happy to be the hottest camera showing light guy you've ever had. And, thanks for coming over here and making this thing fire out a couple of live mice and some smoke. I mean, hopefully they just decide to go somewhere else tonight.
Well, folks, hope you enjoyed it. We're going to tidy things up. Make sure to click that like and subscribe button and have a good one.